Welcome back to BJRS Official. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add your bank details on Miamor. Yes, I'm going to be showing you two things on this particular video. Number one is how to add your bank details, and number two is how to set up your profile, or even how to change your password on this particular platform. So before we dive into this, if today happen to be the first time that you are visiting our channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. So what you have to do is, if you check right here, you see a three dash icon locating at the top of your left hand side. You see, you click on the three dot icon. You now head over and click on setting. Click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you just have to scroll down again. Then you will see where they said edit profile. So click on the edit profile. It's now going to take you to this particular place. For example, if you want to change your name, you can change it right there. If you want to change email, you see it right there, but you cannot change email. You can change your phone number if you wish. So that is that. So first, let's start with how to add your account details. So click on payment settings. After clicking on payment settings, it's going to take you to this particular place where you see bank and account number. So the bank is for you to select the type of bank that you are using by clicking on it. So after clicking on it, for example, now let's say First Bank, you click on First Bank, and the account number, you enter your bank account number. So let's say I enter this. You see, it will automatically pop up the name that is on your bank. Understand? So this process is automated. Once you enter the once you enter the account number, it will automatically pop up the name that is inside that particular account. So after doing that, you can now head over and click on save. Understand? Save bank details. So this is how you can actually add your bank details to or on Miamor for you to be making your withdrawals. Without adding your bank details, you can not initiate withdrawal on this platform. So let me show you how to change your password. If you want to change your password, you take the same steps. Okay, let's go back again. You go to settings. After clicking on settings like this, you click on edit profile. Then you now scroll. You see this particular place, you scroll. So once you scroll, you are going to see where they say change password. So you now click on change password. You click on the password. From here, you can enter your current password. Yes, if you know your password, the password that you use to register the account, you can enter the password right there. So after you enter the old password, the current password is old password, like the password that you don't, or you don't want to use again. You enter that particular password right here. So after entering the old password right here, then you see where they say new password. This new password is where you're actually going to enter the new password that you want to be using on Miamor. Yes, this is where to enter the new password that you want to be using on this particular platform. And you see confirm password. You are going to confirm the new password, which is the same thing that you type right here. It's the same thing that you're going to type here. Understand? Let me make it right again. Here is your old password. You enter your old password right here. Then you enter the new password here. You also enter the new password here. After doing so, you can now finally click on update password. So this is how you can actually change your password on this platform. So let's see if there is any other thing that you need to set up. Let's go to profile again. If you want to add photo to your profile, you can just come right there, you click on choose image. You can just click on choose image like this, then you click on profile. You can now select any image that you wish to use, understand, from your phone. You can just select any image at all that you want to use. So after you upload the image, it's going to appear right there. This avatar is not going to show like this. So this is actually how to add image to this particular place. For example, you want to put your picture right there. This is where to upload it. You come here and upload that particular picture that you want to put. So let's go back to our profile. You see, okay, let's navigate everything that we have right there. You see that you have referrals here. As we all know, referrals is not compulsory, referrals is optional. Referrals is when you register somebody using your unique link, so that is called referrals. Transactions, this will show the list of earnings, or like the list of your earnings or withdrawal that you have initiated on this particular platform. So if you click on transactions, it's going to show the list of your earnings or withdrawal. You can see this is the sign up bonus that I received, and this one is the $2 that I earned from the tax, which is the March pairing tax. So that is it. Let's go back again. You see voucher check. This particular place is where you can actually check the code that you use for your registration. This is where to verify the coupon code. So if you click on it, you just need to paste the code right there, then you click on check vendor for you to validate that particular code, understand. So another thing is withdraw. I'm going to make a separate video for this. I'm going to make a separate video on that withdrawal. Then another thing that we have here is games portal. So if you click on games, you are going to see list of games available, where you can just select anyone that you wish to play. See, so but right now you can see it right here. You see that game portal usually opens and close. So game portals open at 9 to from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. understand, from 9 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. That's it. So let's leave that one for now. I'm going to make a video on that on the right time. And another thing we have here is, okay, this particular one is bet history. That one is when you play a bet, you will see the history right here. You see love amper. Let's click on it and see. Okay, no active session. Okay, you can just leave this one, sha. You can leave that one. Match pairing, which is what we have already done. Skill center, this particular one right here. You see the skill centers, okay, this one is not yet available. This one is coming soon. Yes, it's not yet available. And which other thing do we have? Let's see. Marketplace, this is where to actually add products. If you want to advertise your product, or you have something that you want to advertise on Miamor, that's when you need to come to this particular place. Then you can create product. I'm still going to make a different video on this. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Bye.